I'm Dr. Reid Wainess. I'm an ophthalmologist based in the Los Angeles area with Acuity Eye Specialists. We're a very large ophthalmology group expanding all specialties of ophthalmology from general to retina to optometry. And we are very rapidly expanding. We currently have about 35 to 40 offices with about 30-some providers and are a growing practice that had needs kind of separate from just a simple EHR program. We needed a system that could kind of adapt and grow with us. When we were looking to switch to a cloud-based EHR vendor, one of the things we quickly realized was that a lot of these vendors had separate software for their EHR component and their practice management component. And that for us was a non-starter. In our prior experience, there was always a lot of finger pointing when things go wrong in the system. And so for us, it was really important to have one integrated system, both for ease of use, but also that if there are any kind of issues or bugs that run into the system or reports you can't pull, you don't have different people pointing the fingers at everybody else. You have one team that's accountable for everything. If there's a problem with the software, you know exactly who to talk to and get those issues fixed. When you have one practice management team and one EHR team and they're not talking properly, everyone's going to blame each other. With CareCloud, we don't have that issue, where it's all integrated into one software package. Our front desks can be running the same system as our back office technicians. They can look at each other's data and it's all integrated immediately. One of the things I really love about the CareCloud charts application, the clinical management component, is the ability to customize your summary page for the patients. So one thing that's really important to me when I'm using an EHR, and which is why I really love EHR more than I like paper charts, is the ability to see lots of data all at once, not have to flip through a chart. If you've got a stack this big of old charts for the patient, you're flipping through. It takes a long time to kind of process all that data, and you're going to miss a lot of things. With EHR, you can have all that data kind of laid out in front of you in a very clean, easy to interpret way. So you can look at a summary of the patient and say, well, I can just scroll down and look at all their visions and pressures from their prior 2 years. I can look back at all their plans, all their clinical data from their exam, all their procedures, all very quickly. And the way CareCloud has set that up is it's a customizable homepage. So you can actually, if you really like to see the procedure data, you can look through the procedure data. If you really want to only see the plan and the vision, you can customize it so that's all you see. So it's really custom to the doctor to help you with how you want to see your patients and review their clinical data. One benefit of the CareCloud system has been how it integrates with a large practice with multiple offices and different doctors that practice in different ways. So one thing that really shines, because it's a web-based platform, you don't need any special applications, you just need a computer. So anywhere that you have a computer or even an internet browser, you can get on the system. If I had a patient call me after hours on call, I can pull up my laptop and look up their chart. I can even do it on the Compendium app on the phone. I can look at their medical history, I can refill their medications if I'm out and about at dinner. It's very simple to use in that regard. The other thing with an expanding practice like ours, we really look at how easy it is to set up a new office. And so when we set up a new office, we know we can very easily get our system up and running because we don't have to have any servers set up. We don't have to have any special software installed on the computer. All the things that limit us in our patient workflow are really going to be improved by this system, and the team is really dedicated to making this just an all-star platform.